What up, what up, what up? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So actually, Gerson hit me up, my tuner, Gerson. You guys should know him at 835_6MT. He tunes my car, my 6-speed swap car. So yeah, we got a 6-speed in here. But yeah, so he messaged me. He said, yo, you know, let's go have some fun with your car. You know, we're gonna be shooting some flames, this and that, whatever. So he's trying to read everything. I'm gonna take you guys along because you guys are probably interested what we gotta do with this. Now we got a 6-speed in the car, so stay tuned because we're gonna be shooting some flames. Wow, what are these? So we gotta send them a new lock for the car. First we gotta start it, and this thing has not been started, warmed up the whole day. And you guys know I got my headers on like a straight pipe, so let's see how loud it is. Let me try to get that for you guys. No flames.
No flames, yeah. Just fix those crank sensor, bro.
Okay. So you think?
Yeah, we'll go from there.
6,000 will? 6,000 will do it?
Well, yeah, it should, but the thing is, I think it's made inconsistent because of the crank sensor.
Okay. Here she is, the one and only, the beast that needs a wash. And it's actually a nice day to give it a wash, but you know, I'm lazy. I haven't done that. No, it's not that. I'm just trying to get you guys the video. But the crank sensor in the car is bad, therefore limiting my revs, limiting the amount of fire and how I hold it and all that stuff. Plus, I'm still learning. But we gotta change that sensor. And then, as you guys saw in the clips, the car was actually struggling to do all those flames. So I just got the clips from when I actually did it, so I can show you guys, you know, and give you guys some entertainment so you guys can have as much fun as I did trying to do it. But let me know, guys, in the comments, dual exit or single exit? I don't know. Single exit gives me more power, but yeah. So these are the clips that you guys saw of the car when I actually spit some flames. So it should be holding the flames and just hold it like, you know, just several seconds or until I let off the gas or whatever. So it should be able to hold it, but it wouldn't do that because of the crank sensor. And when we were standing still, the car actually was having trouble. I don't know if it was my motor oil heating up a lot, but I think it's that sensor that I told you guys. That sensor is messing up, therefore giving me that oil pressure issue. So I gotta change that. That's pretty much it, guys. That's all I got for today. Car is here. Car's chilling, car's good. We were so close last video, so you guys can see the races of the V8s, the turbo cars versus my 6-piece swap Maxima. We were so close, but I guess we gotta wait now to see those races, you know. But next video is when we're gonna see the Dragon Flames, the G sauce, the Gizzly sauce, the Glizzy sauce, the whatever sauce you want, the Gerson sauce, G sauce, all the sauce. This car got all the sauce. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So remember, like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you guys later. Deuces. Oh, one thing. In a couple of videos, maybe like after the races and stuff like that, I'm gonna tell you guys what my plans are for the car and how to make more power. And then we're gonna go over like how it is to swap the car and this and that. We just have a lot of videos, guys. So go subscribe, stay tuned, because we have so much things to do to the car still. Well, it looks done. That is not done. That is not even close to done. We still have a lot to do. We even got to start the interior. Deuces.